Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will study about lock and key hypothesis of enzyme action. Basically, this is a hypothesis which tells us about the mechanism of enzyme action. So basically, it tells us how the enzyme acts upon a substrate and converts it into a desirable product. As we all know, according to this hypothesis, both enzyme and substrate have specific geometrical shapes, and the enzyme basically according to this hypothesis, the enzyme basically has a shape of a key and the substrate has a shape of a lock. So this hypothesis tells us that the enzyme, as we all know, that enzyme has a certain active site. So the active site of the enzyme is made up of certain groups, special groups such as NH2 COH or SH, which are specifically designed such that they can combine with the substrate to form enzyme substrate complex. So basically, the enzyme has the active site which is modified in such a way like a key that that it can bind to the substrate like a key binds to a lock. And this hypothesis further shows the specificity of an enzyme towards a substrate. So basically, this means the specificity means that certain enzyme will only bind to a certain substrate because the enzyme will be specific for a certain substrate, like a key is specific for a certain lock. So that's why this model is known as a lock and key model. So the specific active site of an enzyme will bind to the substrate and will thus form a enzyme substrate complex here. And after making the enzyme substrate complex, it will further react and will thus produce products which are required. And the active site of the enzyme will get detached from the product, and this enzyme will further then get attached to the further substrates which are present around it, which are specific to this enzyme, and will make new products and will further make new products. So in this way the enzyme works, and in this way this lock and key hypothesis works. If you have any doubts in understanding this hypothesis, you can ask them in the comment section.